Mastering the magic. Present perfect tense with irregular verbs. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our journey into English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're going to tackle a very interesting topic that's crucial for anyone learning English: the present perfect tense and, more specifically, how it works with irregular verbs. So sit tight and get ready for some grammar magic. Before diving into the world of irregular verbs, let's take a moment to remind ourselves what the present perfect tense is. It's a tense used to describe an action that has happened at an undefined time before now. The structure is fairly simple. It's the subject, plus, have, or has, plus the past participle of the verb. For regular verbs, that's the verb plus ed, like played or walked. But what happens when we're dealing with irregular verbs? As the name suggests, irregular verbs don't follow the regular conjugation rules. The past participle form of irregular verbs is not created by simply adding ed to the end. In fact, irregular verbs can change in all sorts of unpredictable ways. For example, go becomes gone, see becomes seen, and run becomes run. This irregularity is what makes them a little trickier to master, but with practice, you'll have them down in no time. Now, when we use the present perfect tense with irregular verbs, we stick to the same structure as with regular verbs: subject, plus, have, or has, plus the past participle. But this time, instead of adding ed, we use the irregular past participle form of the verb. For instance, I have seen the movie before. She has gone to the store. It's all about remembering the irregular forms, which can take a bit of memorization. Now, let's practice with some common irregular verbs. Remember, it's the subject, plus, have, or has, plus the irregular past participle. Here are some examples. 1. Take, taken. They have taken the exam. 2. Write, written. I have written a letter. 3. Drive, driven. She has driven the car. Repeat these sentences, try to make your own, and before long, these forms will become second nature. And that wraps up our discussion on the present perfect tense with irregular verbs. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering these verbs. Don't get discouraged if it seems tough at first. Keep at it, and you'll be an expert in no time. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.